Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this beautiful rose quartz barrel bead from Madagascar. Very nice pink and good clarity. Each size will be slightly different because it's a handcrafted product. And I decided to make it with amethyst. It's not only about the color matching. One of the amethyst healing benefits is to protect love, and rose quartz is to attract love. So naturally, the cooperation between these two is perfect. And then I want to talk about the elastic quartz. We usually use the matching color, like if we thread amethyst beads, we use purple quartz. And if we thread rose quartz beads, we use pink or rose red quartz. Since it's a mixed crystal bracelet, you can easily see the purple quartz in the rose quartz. You can also make it with the transparent elastic quartz, like this one. With purple quartz, the bracelet looks more purple. Transparent quartz, it looks a little bit lighter purple, even though they are from the same amethyst strand. So if you ask for my advice, I will choose purple quartz. I like it more vibrant.